This video will assist you in completing assignment number 8, database queries. As we open up the file, you will notice that there is a different and brand new Microsoft Access file, T7 Classic Cars Data, and it has a file extension of ACCDB, which stands for Access Database, which is an older version, but that has the correct data in it. The previous version that we used when we were trying to do this in class had an extension of MDB, and it was the wrong file. Somehow it got changed in Canvas. In any case, we're going to go ahead and open up that file in Access, and here it sees that it opens up with Catalog, like we've been using, only now it has an additional field called Classic that has 5 vehicles that are marked. Now let's take a look at the instructions from the Tech Plugin PDF file. It identifies that we're to create a query listing classic cars grouped by their make. The query should display only the make, model, price fields, sort by the model, and calculate the average price for each make. Save the query as cars by model query. So we're going to run through that real quick. So we're going to flip over here first from table view over to query view. Now we're going to create, using the query wizard, we're going to use a simple query. We're going to identify make, model, and price. And in this particular instance, we also need to move over the classic so that we can identify which vehicles we want in the query. We're going to hit next, go ahead and next again, and then up here we're going to put the title that we need for the query, which is cars by model query. So we're going to put cars by model query. There we go. We're going to hit finish, and now it gives us our query over here on the left. We now have to refine this query. So we go into the right click, then design view, and you'll see over here we want just the classic cars that have that are checkmarked. In this particular case, we put yes. We also wanted the price to be average, and we wanted this to be sorted by make. So let's sort an ascending model by the make. Then we also want to come over here, and we need to identify that we want this by average. So when it says group by, we click on this and we can then select by average. Now we'll select by the average price. So now that we have these done, let's take a look at what it does by clicking run. By clicking run, it identifies the 5 vehicles that were shown in the catalog table. It is sorted by the make, and it gives us the average price. We're done. Pretty easy and simple.